What is up, everyone? I am Seth from the Detail Doc. Today I will be showing you how to protect your new Tesla. If you plan on owning your Tesla for a long time and want to keep it looking newer for longer, then keep watching this video. Our customer brought us his brand new Tesla Model 3 to fully protect from rock chips, scratches, minor scrapes and scuffs, and bug splatter from damaging his paint in all of the high impact areas. And we're also going to be protecting the vehicle with a ceramic coating, so it's a lot easier for him to maintain it and have a long lasting shine. So we're going to do a full paint protection film on the high impact areas of the vehicle, topped off with a ceramic coating for extreme ease of cleaning and a shine that will last a long time. So before we start protecting this Tesla, we're going to want to wash it, thoroughly detail it, get any road film, dirt, and grime off of the surface of the vehicle before we start inspecting the paint and beginning our protection process. So right now we're just doing our 2-bucket hand wash. We're trying to remove as many loose dirt and grime off the vehicle before we start doing any paint protection film or polishing on the paint. This is going to safely remove any dirt and grime off the vehicle without installing any wash marring or swirl marks as we're washing the vehicle. And the prep is always the most important part of any protection process. You want to get the car as clean as possible before you start applying anything to the vehicle. So after we're done washing the vehicle, we're going to want to do a decontamination. So there's going to be contamination that's stuck and embedded into the paint that's going to need either a clay bar or iron fallout removal to get out of the pores of the paint before we start applying any paint protection film. Anything that's left over from our hand wash is going to be stuck in the paint, and we're going to want to use a clay bar. The clay bar is going to pick up any environmental fallout, light specks of tar, or any sort of contamination that might have embedded itself into the paint, and the clay bar is going to get it out so we don't apply paint protection film or ceramic coating on top of that and be stuck under our protection. So after we're done prepping and washing the vehicle, we are ready to start our paint protection film. Paint protection film is a clear polyurethane film that is applied to the vehicle. This paint protection film is going to protect against rock chips, scratches, minor scrapes and scuffs, and swirl marks from damaging the paint to keep it looking newer for longer. Paint protection film comes in many different brands that come with different warranties and different capabilities of the paint protection film. Here at the Detail Doc, we like to use the best products and high quality paint protection film. Our paint protection film comes with a lifetime warranty and is self-healing from any minor swirl marks and scratches. So let's get onto our software and our plotter to cut out some paint protection film for the Tesla. So with paint protection film, there are many different coverage options. Some people just like to do full front ends, or you can even do your rocker panels for more high impact areas, and even full body paint protection film wraps. On this Tesla specifically, we're gonna be doing all of the high impact areas, including the full front end, the lower parts of the doors, the rocker panels, and then the A-pillars. So as you saw earlier, we were able to modify our paint protection film kit. So on the Teslas, there's a lot of opportunity for us to tuck the edges. So the top edge of this fender is tucked, the back edge of this fender is tucked, and right now I'm just gonna tuck this bottom edge of the fender. And the nice thing with tucking the edges is, number one, it makes the appearance of the paint protection film look a lot better. You know, you're not gonna have the visible edges, and it's gonna provide more protection for the edge and reduce any chances of the film popping up in the future. So with this, it leaves an almost invisible look, where if you look on this fender, it's hardly even noticeable that there's paint protection film on the fender. So on the Teslas, the front bumper and the lower parts of the doors and rocker panels tend to be the most vulnerable areas of the vehicle that get chipped up the most commonly. So right now we're just applying our paint protection film to the bottom of the doors, and we're gonna do the rocker panels as well to prevent any rock chips or scuffs from damaging these parts of the vehicle, as they are some of the most high impact areas. So we just wrapped up the paint protection film on the Tesla. With the paint protection film, you can expect many years of paint protection out of the PPF. You're gonna have protection from rock chips, minor scrapes and scuffs, and flying road debris. A professionally installed paint protection film job is going to last for several years with proper maintenance. Depending on what installer you use and what brand of paint protection film you have on your vehicle. Some come with 10-year warranties or even lifetime warranties. But this paint protection film comes with a lifetime warranty, and it is self-healing from any light swirl marks and scratches. Will not show on the paint protection film and actually heal away with heat. We're going to be installing a ceramic coating onto this Tesla to make it easier to keep clean, stay cleaner for longer, and have a long-lasting shine. The difference between paint protection film and a ceramic coating is that paint protection film is going to protect against physical damage, such as rock chips, scrapes, scuffs, minor dings, and bug splatter, while the ceramic coating is going to make the vehicle stay cleaner for longer, have a long-lasting shine, and be super easy to wash and maintain. Unlike a traditional wax or sealant that you have to constantly reapply every few months, a ceramic coating can last for several years with a single application. So in the long run, a ceramic coating is going to save you time and money. So instead of having to constantly reapply those forms of paint protection to protect your vehicle's finish, a ceramic coating will give you long-lasting protection. So we'll show you with some water here how hydrophobic a ceramic coating will make it, so the vehicle stays cleaner for longer and easier to maintain in the future. So that's how you protect your brand new Tesla. At the Detail Doc, we like to provide the highest quality and best customer experience. So if you guys have any questions about what we do and how we do it, please feel free to leave us a comment. And if you have a Tesla and want to keep it looking newer for longer and easy to maintain for many years down the road, please leave us a comment. We are more than happy to help. Thank you all for watching. We will see you in the next one.